Real estate business. Indian real estate business or basic principle of Indian real estate business. Definition. Real estate business is the profession of buying, selling or renting real estate, land, buildings or housing. About Indian real estate. The Indian real estate sector has come a long way and is today one of the fastest growing markets in the world. It comprises of four subsectors: land, development, construction, leasing and services, housing, retail, hospitality and commercial. While housing contributes to 5-6% of India gross product GDP, the remaining three subsectors are also increasing at a fast pace. Segments in the India real estate sector. Asset classification. Introduction. Real estate is an immovable assets class which has very volatile in terms of financial value, which is purely based on market condition and demand at particular location. It's one of high return on investment assets which generally depend on demand and supply scenario. Land. Property or real estate that do not include buildings or equipment which do not occur naturally. Depending on the title, land ownership may also give the holder the rights to all natural resources on the land. This may include water, plants, human and animal life, fossils, soils, minerals, geographical location, and geophysical occurrences. Land measurement units in India. 1 hectare is equal to 2.5 acres. 1 acre is equal to 40 guthas. 1 guthas is equal to 121 square yards is equal to 101.17 square meters. 1 acre is equal to 4,840 square yards. 1 acre is equal to 4,067.23 square meters and 1 acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. Now, agriculture or agricultural land. Agricultural land refers to the share of land area that is arable under permanent crops and under permanent pastures. Arable land includes land defined by the landowner as land under temporary crops. Double cropped areas are counted ones. Temporary meadows for moving or for pasture. Land under market or kitchen gardens. And non-agricultural. Land can be called non-agricultural if any activity in the nature of development is carried over on the land which makes it unfit for cultivation. Residential land. A residential area is where housing predominates as opposed to industrial and commercial areas. Housing may vary significantly between through residential areas. These include single family housing, multi-family residential. Zoning for residential use may permit some services or work opportunities or may totally exclude business and industry. It may permit high density land use or only permit low density uses. Residential zoning usually includes a smaller FAR floor area ratio than business, commercial or industrial or manufacturing zoning. Now, commercial land. Commercial land, which includes office, buildings, industrial property, medical centers, hotels, malls, retail stores, farmland, multi-family housing, buildings, warehouses, and garages. Now, residential property. Residential houses are used for living purpose. Apartments. An apartment is a self-contained housing unit, a type of residential real estate that occupies only part of a building. Such a building may be called an apartment building. Apartment house block of flat, tower block and high rise or occasionally mansion block, especially if it consists of many apartments. Multi-story apartments. A multi-story apartment is generally more than 3 stories of building with lift and other self-sustaining amenities. Apartment complex. Apartment complex are a group of apartments or multi-story apartment containing more than 3 to 4 buildings with its own amenity area and other recreational facilities. Now, residential township. Residential township is largest format of residential housing. residential township consists of all the facility which is required for any city to function well, which includes roads, schools, business centers, hospitals, and any other structure required for sustaining living. Now, commercial property. Categories of commercial real estate. Office buildings. This category includes single tenant properties, small professional office buildings, office, skyscrapers, and everything in between. Industrial property. Industrial property includes lands, warehouses, manufacturing units used to manufacture or store products for commercial or government use and is generally far from the city area. Now, retail or restaurant. This category includes highway frontage, single tenant retail buildings, small neighborhood shopping centers, larger centers with grocery store as well as regional and outlet malls. And hospitality, hotel, resorts, holiday homes. Now, SAGE. The term SAGE, Special Economic Zone, is commonly used as a generic term to refer to any modern economic zone. Broadly, SAGEs are located within a country's national borders but have different business laws. The aims of the zones include increased trade, increased investment, job creation, and effective administration. To encourage business to set up in the zone, liberal policies are introduced. Their policies typically regard investing, taxation, trading, court, customs, and labor regulation. Additionally, companies may be offered tax holidays.